That's cool.
AI trained on 4chan becomes hate speech machine. That sounds like such a motherboard headline.
Yeah.
After 24 hours, the 9 bots running on 4chan had posted 15,000 times. Just pure hate speech. Hate bot.
Yeah.
An AI researcher and YouTuber, Yannick Kilcher, trained in AI using 3.3 million threads from 4chan's infamously toxic, politically incorrect. He then unleashed the bot back onto 4chan with predictable results. The AI was just as vile as the post it was trained on, spouting racial slurs and engaging with anti-Semitic threads. After Kilcher posted his video and a copy of the program to Hugging Face, GitHub for AI, ethicists and researchers in the AI field expressed concern. Well, yeah. Is anybody surprised by this? Probably not. He activated 9 instances of the bot, allowed them to post for 24 hours. In that time, the bots posted 15,000 times. This was more than 10% of all posts made on the politically incorrect board that day. Woof! Woo, woo! Woo, woo, woo! Couple of bots post 10% of all the content. Train the people. What are the people saying? I don't know. I'm reading the bots.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what people are thinking.
The training. I feel like they're going to just be bots all over, just yelling amongst each other, and then we as humans just consume it.
The bot arguments.
Yes.
Robots arguing with robots, robots fighting robots. We're
because we like drama.
Mm-hmm. You get them. Mm-hmm. And then everybody's just lurking, watching the bot's bot.
Yes.
AI researchers viewed Kilcher's video as more than just a YouTube prank. For them, it was an unethical experiment using AI. This experiment would never pass a human research ethics board. Lauren Oaken Rayner, the director of medical imaging research at the Royal Adelaide Hospital and a senior research fellow at the Australian Institute of Machine Learning, said in a Twitter thread. Well, yeah, because it looks like it's people having that conversation, but it's kind of like Elon's request. He's like, who's a bot? What's a bot? How many bots? Mm-hmm. This guy's like all the bots. I got them. Over there in 4chan. I got all the bots. Whatever you need, Elon. 10% of all the posts in that thread. Or in that 4chan, call it a thread. What do they call it?
Forum?
They call it a forum? It's not like Reddit.
Board?
It's not a sub.
Message board.
I know, but it's a slash. What do they call it? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
Yeah, board.
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter.
A board.
He pushed back on Twitter on the idea that this bot would ever do harm or had done harm. All I hear is vague, grandstanding statements about harm, but absolutely zero instances of actual harm, he said. It's like a magic word these people say, but then nothing more. Listen, man. Sometimes people behave like bots too. Just regurgitating. Just parroting. Just replicating. You say what? I say that too. I'm with you. We are team. We say things. It's best to be careful on the internet and use it for no more than 100 minutes at a time.